Hello fellow makers and welcome back to day 17 of 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printing Advent Calendar with me, Father Printmas. Ho 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 ho! Today we're looking at another gift tab because Father Printmas is running short of ideas and it's still a long way to the 24th. He's really regretting this, Father Printmas. Oh, dearie me, Father Printmas. So yes, this particular one is a very clever gift tag though. It's got a holly leaf in the corner so it looks nice and festive. Plenty of room there to write who it's from and who it's to, and you can put either a bell or a Christmas tree, or in this case a nice holly with berries on it. This was created by this maker right here, and I like the fact it comes in 3 parts and it's very quick and easy to print. Very thin, but yes, it serves its purpose nicely. A little bit of glue or a double-sided sticky tape on the back and that'll stick straight onto any present. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. What do you mean there's 6 more of these to go? I never agreed to 6 more. What do you mean I did agree to this?